Hey guys, happy Remembrance Day, and I am here with you, and I am going to show you how to dye armor in Minecraft. My last video somehow got deleted, and so I'm redoing it. So let's do it. Okay, so you are going to need a cauldron, a bucket of water, any color of dye, and a set of armor. You can also do this with horse armor but only leather. You can do this with, but you can only do it with leather horse armor. It won't work with diamond or gold or anything else. Only leather. Okay, so first you put down the cauldron, and then you put water in it. Then you put the dye in it. Then tap, 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 tap. And now you have dyed armor. You have perfectly dyed, you have perfectly dyed armor right there, and you can enchant it. You can do whatever you want with it. You could put a sword with it. Really, you could do anything. This is what it looks like on my character. I am obsessed. I love dyeing my armor, and I will show you how it looks when you dye a horse armor. Okay, I've got my horse armor, and I'm going to use the last drop of it to dye it purple, and I'm going to put it on a horse. So let's get a horse egg, a spawn horse. This one right here, and let's put it on. I'll be right back. This is what the armor looks like on the horse. It looks so good, and you can have it in any color, any of the colors of the dye. We've got white, we've got light gray, we've got dark gray, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, dark green. All of those colors. We've got medium blue, light blue, dark purple, medium, in between pink and purple, magenta, and pink. We've got all of those colors you could choose from, and you could dye your armor any of those colors, and I absolutely love it. So there you go. That is how you dye horse armor in Minecraft. You're welcome, and I'll see you in the next video.